OEMs are looking for engine components that are lighter and more efficient. Parts managers and diesel techs want components that are easier to work with. Hi, I'm Matt Stahl, on-highway product manager at Horton, and today I have Ben Larson, application engineer. And we have a fan drive that saves on both weight and complexity. Welcome, Ben.
Thanks for having me, Matt.
Yeah, you're welcome. So, in general, what you'll see on over-the-road trucks today is a pneumatic fan drive like I have here. It's very common to see iron components that are heavy, and these have to be completely removed from the vehicle to service. We have a fan drive here that we've been working on that solves both the weight issue and the complexity issue, don't we?
Absolutely we do, Matt. We have here Horton's new DM Advantage on-off fan drive. It has the same cooling capacity as the standard fan drive, but with one distinct advantage. The shiv is made out of half aluminum, making it much lighter.
Okay, seems like it would have some benefits for the maintenance folks as well.
Absolutely. It could be up to 30% lighter than a standard fan drive. In addition to that, the clutch pack can be removed and disassembled from the side like this.
Wow, okay, so it seems like that access from the side might have some great benefits for the aftermarket side, and just the light piece of it might be pretty beneficial for the OEMs. It's also probably a good fit for over-the-road applications, long haul, heavy haul.
Absolutely it is, Matt.
Okay, great. If you have any questions, be sure to contact your Horton representative, visit hortonww.com, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.